Transforming our economy from the ground up not only takes innovation, it takes vision. And that's something our next guest knows a lot about. As president of Select Investment Group, he's overseen the purchase and successful rehabilitation of over 800 units in Cleveland and Columbus since 2005, and they became the busiest and bought the most real estate when everyone thought real estate was toxic. We now welcome Paul Gabriel, president and founder of Select Investment Group. Paul, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much for having me.
Now, Paul, let's start by talking about Select Investment Group. Can you give us some background on the company?
Select Investment Group was started in 2005 by me and my business partner, Andrew Striegel. What we specialize in is buying and rehabilitating apartments and houses in currently the Cleveland and Columbus markets. What that means is we buy apartments and houses that we feel need a full, complete gut job and redo, and we rent them out at higher rents, and that's the goal of Select Investment Group currently.
So when it comes to rehabilitating properties, what does Select Investment Group look for?
We look for properties that are currently under market in their current market. So if there's a select area of Cleveland or Columbus that we see an apartment community or a house that is currently below market in terms of rents, we try to buy it, and usually the case is it's because of the quality of the interior, quality of deferred maintenance. So we like to purchase the property, do all the major rehab. That could include new roofs, new boilers, new HVAC units, new kitchens, new bathrooms, the whole gambit. And what we're trying to do is get a higher rent than even the market to make sure we bring a better quality tenant into the area.
And why is it important to not cut corners on rehabilitations?
You know, it's very easy to generate a lot of cash flow early on by cutting corners and saving the money that way, but all you're doing there is just deferring your maintenance costs later. We prefer to do it all up front. That way you make your tenant happier, you make your profit better, and you can sit there and make the property what was the original intention, which is a changer in the area to make the area a lot better. Anybody who cuts corners is going to end up paying a lot more in the long run, so we just prefer get it over and done with, make the unit, the apartment building, the house as good as possible, get the best quality tenant in there who will stay longer because they have a better unit.
Finally, what about the ability to buy and close quick on properties? Why is that important?
Well, it's no secret that these days the banks have been very tight with money and people have had problems lately. And a lot of times they need to move quickly in terms of selling a property. What we're able to do is come in, look at a property, assess it very quickly, give an offer that's very quick to close and allows the owner to get out of their current fiasco financially and let the bank get their money, absorb their loss, and move on.
Well, Paul, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for joining us.
Great. Thanks for having me. I really appreciate it.
You can learn much more by visiting Select Investment Group on the web at selectinvestmentgroup.com.